BMW gave the S58 500 horsepower, then choked it. This right here is the problem. MAD Catless downpipes, zero restriction. This is what Unleashed looks like. Make sure you stay till the end. You definitely need to hear this thing. In they go. BMW's best engine finally free. Let's go. All right, let's get to work. Before we get into it, let's remove this strut brace. First things first, strut brace has to come off. Gives us the clearance we need to work. The cover is next. Now we can actually see what we're working with. 2 O2 sensors per side. Find these connectors before you touch anything else. First one. Second one. These wires are clipped to the head. Get them free now or they'll fight you later. Undershields have to come off too. There's a ton of 16mm and 10mm bolts. Most of this job we're working on the passenger side, better access to everything we need. Bolts everywhere. Heads up, there's more hiding under these shields. 21mm, easy to miss if you're not looking for them. Now we can actually get in here. This is the access we need. Lower O2 sensors live right here. Same deal as before. Disconnect, don't force anything. Also, in a little bit, I'm gonna show you what's hidden right in this area. This is the front V-band clamp, and this is the rear V-band clamp. This lower O2 sensor plug is usually hard to find, but here you guys go. Double check every wire. Even if one's still clipped to a bracket, that downpipe isn't coming out clean. There's a few brackets up there, but it's kind of hard to show you guys. This is what's going in. Both sides. One more thing before these come off. 13mm bolts holding this section on. And 2 more right here. And that piece is done. Last thing holding this on. The V-band clamp. I use a 13mm ratchet wrench and I use this to fully remove the bolt. I then use a pry bar to split the V-band for easy removal. I ended up removing this pipe to create more space for the removal. I loosened the rear V-band clamp and broke it free. I just want to mention there is one more O2 sensor plug for the front cat. This one was definitely hiding. Also, something else to mention, be careful with that front sensor because it is tucked under the front turbo. I'll show you here. Now look at these side by side. These are going on. Look at the difference in the openings. The restriction is gone. Let's swap these O2 sensors over. Here's one side. And here's the second. Both on. Don't forget this one. Easy to miss going back together. And this V-band clamp has to go back too. Make sure both the V-band clamps are tight. Okay, pretty much everything down here is tightened down and plugged in. We still have to go up top to plug in a few things, but I have to put these shields back on. You guys already seen a removal, it's just in reverse. Done. Reconnecting everything we touched. Everything is back together. This M3 sounds absolutely insane. BMW's best engine is finally free. That's MAD Catless downpipes on a G80 M3. If you own one of these, you need to hear it for yourself. If you're running an M3 or M4, subscribe. This is only the start.